The journey of kiwi begins in carefully managed orchards, bathed in the first light of day.
Each kiwi tree is carefully tended to produce fruit of consistent size, flavor, and nutritional value.
Each kiwi reaches maturity under precise agricultural control. Harvesting only begins when the fruit reaches the precise ripeness standard. Careful handling helps prevent damage and preserve freshness. Initial quality checks are performed directly in the field. This is where industrial precision begins, from nature. Immediately after harvesting, the kiwis are transported in temperature-controlled conditions. Cold chain logistics protect freshness from the field to the factory. The fruit is being transported to a fully automated processing facility. From this point on, automation will take control. Each kiwi is thoroughly washed to remove surface dirt. Gentle pressure ensures cleaning without damaging the fruit. Advanced sensors analyze size, color, and surface quality. Only those that meet the strict standards will proceed. Kiwi is automatically routed based on its final product destination. Smart systems decide each fruital's next step in milliseconds. For processed products, peeling is the next step. The automatic peeling machine operates with incredible precision. Waste is efficiently sorted for reuse or disposal.
What remains is pure, high-quality kiwi flesh.
Efficiency and consistency define this stage. Precision cutting prepares kiwi for uniform products. High-speed blades operate with absolute precision. Uniformity improves quality and efficiency. Prepared kiwi now enters high-capacity industrial grinding systems. The factory grinder is working at full capacity, grinding kiwi into a homogeneous mixture. The entire process remains fully enclosed to ensure hygiene. The puree is transferred directly into large-scale mixing tanks. Every recipe is digitally controlled, down to the precise ratio. Controlled stirring ensures even mixing without damaging the texture. Transition complete. Focus now shifts to protection. Sterilization is where safety becomes non-negotiable. The product enters a precisely designed heat treatment process. Heat and pressure are calibrated with absolute accuracy. Automation maintains consistency across every batch. Every batch must pass strict internal standards. The final stage begins with sterile containers. Each bottle is precisely filled by the automatic machine. Consistency is monitored continuously. The robot ensures every weld meets the standard. Only perfect products are brought to market.
Finished products enter the logistics phase.
Robots build pallets with millimeter-level accuracy. Each pallet is stabilized for transport. Autonomous vehicles manage internal movement.
Products are prepared for global distribution.
The factory's work is complete. From orchard to table, every kiwi reflects precision, technology, and care.